Welcome back to the Medi Queries. I'm Suchitra. Today we are going to learn electrically regulated pulsatile drug delivery systems, one of the most advanced smart drug delivery technologies in pharmaceutics. In today's presentation, we will understand the concept from basic to the advanced using simple diagrams and easy language. At the end of this video, I will also show you how to prepare a beautiful handwritten posture for this topic. So let's begin. So this is electrically regulated pulsatile drug delivery system. The word electrically regulated means the drug release is controlled by an electrical signal. So the word pulsatile means the drug is released only in bursts whenever needed, not continuously. So think of it like an electric switch. When current on, drug released. Current off, drug stops. Okay. So what are the learning objectives? So after this presentation, you should be able to understand the definition, explain the principle, identify the components, describe the working mechanism, know the advantages and disadvantages, explain the applications and future scope. Okay. Now let us see the introduction. So normally tablets release medicine continuously after administration. So but many diseases don't need continuous drug release. For example, diabetes, asthma, cancer, pain. So medicine is needed only at a particular time. Okay. So therefore, scientists developed pulsatile drug delivery systems here. So electrical stimulations provide one of the best methods for controlling the drug release. So what is electrically regulated pulsatile drug delivery system? So definition is very simple. It is a smart drug delivery system in which an electrical signal controls the release of the medicine at the desired time. So without electricity, no drug release. Okay, so with electricity, the drug is released immediately. So therefore, it is called an on-off drug delivery system. So need for electrically regulated systems. So why do we need this system? So because it provides a time controlled drug release. So on-demand therapy, so reduced side effects and a better patient compliance for targeted delivery. So better treatment efficiency, and for instead of giving medicines all day, the drug is released only when required. Okay. So for this, we approach to this system. Okay. So what is the principle involved? So this is the heart of this today's topic. So inside the device, there is a conductive polymer or electro-responsive hydrogel. Okay. So when electricity is applied, what will happen? The polymer changes its structure. So the membrane will open and the drug comes out. Okay. When electricity is removed, what will happen? The membrane closes again. So the drug release stops here. So remember this sequence: electric current, polymer response, and the membrane will open and the drug will released. Current off, drug release stops. Okay, so this is the simple sequence. Okay, let us see the components. So there are mainly 6 important components. First one is the drug reservoir, stores the medicine, and second one is the conductive polymer, responds to the electricity. So electro-responsive hydrogel changes its size. So polymer membrane controls the drug release, and electrodes supply the electric current, and battery or controller provides the power. So together these components makes the complete drug delivery system here. Conductive polymers. Some commonly used conductive polymers are polypyrrole, polyaniline, polythiophene. So these polymers expand or shrink when electricity passes through them. Okay, so their property controls the release of the medicine here. Electro-responsive hydrogels. So hydrogels are the soft polymers containing water. So when electrical current is applied, what will happen? They will swell. So their pores becomes large and drug comes out of it. When electricity stops, so the hydrogel shrinks and the drug release also stops. So this reversible property makes the hydrogels very useful. Okay, so working mechanism. So let's understand step by step. So first, the drug is loaded inside the device, and second, the device is implanted or administered. In third step, the electric current is applied. Then what will happen? The polymer changes, the membrane opens and drug is released. And finally, the current is switched off. The drug release immediately stops. Very easy. Okay. Visual working. So observe the diagram carefully here. So before electricity, the capsule remains closed. So no medicine comes out. When electricity is applied, the membrane opens and the drug particles comes out. So when the current stops and the membrane closes again and the medicine stops releasing. This visual makes the mechanism very easy to remember. Okay, so let us see the advantages of this system. So there are many advantages. So they are very precise drug release systems and medicine released only when needed, and they have very less side effects and improve patient compliance. It gives a better therapeutic effect and useful for chronotherapy. So it is also used in the targeted drug delivery. So these are all the major benefits of this system. And now let's see the limitations. So battery is required, device is expensive, manufacturing is complex, implant life is limited. So electrodes may sometimes irritate the tissues. So researchers are working to overcome these limitations. So this technology has many applications. It is used in the diabetes for the insulin delivery. It is also used in the cancer therapy, hormone therapy, pain management, neurological disorders, implantable drug delivery devices, targeted drug delivery. So these are the major areas where electrically regulated systems are useful. So real life example. So imagine a diabetic patient. A smart insulin implant is placed under the skin. So whenever the blood sugar rises, a small electrical signal activates the implant. So insulin is released automatically here. So blood sugar becomes normal. So once enough insulin is released, the electrical signals stop and the drug release also stops. So this reduces the unnecessary insulin release. Okay, so this is the wonderful real life example. So some examples includes polypyrrole based drug delivery systems, electro-responsive hydrogels, implanted microchips, MEMS drug delivery devices. So these are being researched for future smart medicines. So now let's compare the magnetic and the electrical systems. So magnetic systems use magnetic field, electrical systems use electrical field. So magnetic systems contains the magnetic nanoparticles. Electrical systems contains the conductive polymers. So both provide the pulsatile drug delivery here. So but their triggering mechanism is different. Future scope. The future is very exciting. Artificial pancreas, wearable drug delivery devices, wireless smart implants, personalized medicines, and remote control drug delivery, advanced biomaterials. So these technologies will improve patient care in the future. So let's quickly revise. Electrical signals controls the drug release, and drug is released only when required, and conductive polymers respond to electricity, and the membrane opens and drug comes out. So This provides the targeted, controlled, and a time-specific therapy. Okay. So this brings us to the end of the today's presentation. I hope you understood the electrically regulated pulsatile drug delivery systems in a simple and easy way. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thank you for your attention. Now let me show you how to prepare a beautiful handwritten posture. Take an A3 white chart paper. Write the title at the top using the colorful sketch pens. Draw an electrical pulse and a capsule on other side of the title. So create 4 main sections. What is it? Write only 3 or 4 simple lines. Principle: draw electrodes, electrical signals, capsule, and arrow showing the drug release process, like that. And in how it will work section, draw 5 small steps like drug loaded, electrical current applied, polymer response, membrane opens, drug released. Okay. Show some advantages in 4 to 5 points with a simple icons. Use blue for electricity, green for arrows, purple for drug particles, and black for the main text. So keep the text short, use neat diagrams, and leave enough white spaces. A clear posture with a simple drawing is much more attractive than one filled with too much writing. Okay. So here I'm giving some sample postures. Using this, create an attractive one. So thank you for watching this video. If you found this presentation useful, please like, share, and subscribe to Medi Queries. So don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss our pharmacy lectures, GPAT presentation videos, educational postures, and a smart study tips. See you in the next video. Happy learning.